In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Vortex Indicator with thresholds defined in TradingView Pro. We'll walk through this together step by step, so even if you're new to TradingView or to technical indicators, you'll be able to follow along easily and get this set up on your own charts. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and that you have a chart open for the market you want to analyze. This can be a stock, crypto, forex pair, or any other asset you like. Once your chart is open, look towards the top of the screen for the Indicators button. This is usually located near the top toolbar above your chart. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This will open the Indicators and Strategies panel, which is where you can search for and add all kinds of tools to your chart. Inside that panel, you'll see a search box near the top. Click directly on the search box so you can start typing. This is where we're going to look for the specific version of the Vortex indicator that has thresholds already defined for you. In the search field, start typing Vortex indicator with thresholds defined. As you type, TradingView will filter the list of available scripts and indicators that match what you're looking for. You should see a result that clearly includes the phrase Vortex indicator with thresholds defined. When you find it in the list, click on it once. As soon as you do, TradingView will automatically add it to your chart. You'll notice a separate panel appear, usually below your main price chart, showing the vortex lines along with the threshold levels. These thresholds can help you quickly see when the indicator is signaling potential trend strength or reversals, depending on how it's designed. If you're using the Pro version of TradingView, you'll get more flexibility with how many indicators you can have on your chart at once, as well as more customization options. To get access to those extra features, feel free to use the affiliate link in the video description to sign up or upgrade to TradingView Pro. It's a convenient way to support the channel while unlocking more powerful tools for your own analysis. Once the indicator is added, you can hover over its name in the chart legend and open the settings if you want to tweak colors, line thickness, or other visual options to match your personal style. And that's all you need to do to add the Vortex indicator with thresholds defined in TradingView Pro.